Merdeka! Merdeka! Merdeka!
Merdeka is about welcoming and assisting people from all walks of life. It's about providing excellent customer service.
Merdeka is empowering patients to regain their independence. It's about helping people live their lives to the fullest.
Merdeka means the power to break free from unhealthy eating habits and make informed yet health-conscious choice. So it highlights our role in guiding individuals toward a healthier lifestyle.
Merdeka means creating a welcoming atmosphere for everyone who enters our hospitals. It is a privilege to be part of a team that contribute to the well-being of our community.
Merdeka means ensuring financial accessibility to healthcare. It's about working diligently to manage costs and provide transparent billing processes so patients can focus on their recovery without worrying about financial burdens. Our role is crucial in supporting the hospital's mission of providing quality care to the community.
Merdeka means serving the community with compassion and dedication. It's about being there for our patients regardless of their background. We at KPJ Damansara care for life.
As we celebrate our 67th Independence Day, let us wish for a Malaysia where unity, harmony and progress prevail. May our nation continue to thrive, with every citizen enjoying prosperity, health and happiness. May we always cherish our freedom and strive to build a brighter future for generations to come.
Happy Merdeka!
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 Happy Merdeka!
Happy Merdeka!
Selamat Hari Merdeka!